Hello, thanks for joining a new video. This time we have a complete review of the Tronsmart Halo 300 Mega Speaker. Let's dive in. As you might notice, it's a very large speaker designed 100% for parties. We'll discuss details gradually, but first, its price at this video's recording, it was 6,777 pesos on the free market. Prices can change, so use this as a reference and also consider the dollar price. Now that we have known this, join me to know the characteristics of this speaker, because Tronsmart is always quite competitive at the price level, so it is true that there will be other speakers also designed for parties that will surely be more expensive. Let's get to know this proposal. Let's start talking about the design. I already anticipated you that it is a big horn. Its weight is more or less 14 kilograms. It measures 75.3 centimeters high, 36.4 wide, and 40.6 deep. In its materials, we will find mainly high-density plastic and a metal grill in front to protect the speaker. In fact, there, where the speakers are placed, we will also find the traditional RGB lights of party speakers, which definitely attract a lot of attention. In addition to these two wheels of light, we also find some other LED lights in white color, located on both the top and the bottom, appearing as small strips that enhance and complement the entire experience. One very positive aspect is that it comes with a telescopic handle, allowing you to easily carry this speaker as if it were a backpack with wheels. Yes, it indeed has two integrated wheels and even a base, so it can stand quite comfortably. These features are perceived as solid and very well constructed. In terms of resistance, it has an IPX4 rating, meaning it can withstand water splashes and light rain, but keep in mind, it's not waterproof. Notably, this speaker won the 2025 Red Dot Award for its impressive industrial design. Let's talk a little bit about the controls, because on the speaker, we find very good space, and therefore, there will also be quite a few controls available. First, we find the on-off button, then a button to pair Bluetooth, and then a button to activate stereo pairing, which will allow us to link two speakers to amplify the sound and have a stereo experience. Then there's the sound pulse button that will give us a special equalization specifically created by Tronsmart to raise the sound in its level. And in the center is a very good volume knob. It feels very good to the touch. The buttons, I must say, that they do have a bit of a simple click, but the knob feels very good quality. Here, you can manipulate the volume in a very specific way. To the right of the knob, we will discover another button labeled Tune. This button enables the broadcast function, allowing you to connect multiple speakers of this style. All of them can play the same music simultaneously. Next, we encounter the control buttons for production, next, play and pause, and previous completely separate. Although if you double-click on the play and pause button, you can change the audio source, as it's not only a Bluetooth speaker, but it also has multiple inputs, which I'll show you in a moment. Then we're going to find another button that allows us to control the LED light with 5 different lighting modes. At the top of the knob, notice that it comes with some sound effect buttons, which is quite curious. So if you like to play with the microphone and you want some sound effects, you can have them for laughter, for applause, and the other traditional party sound. Let's hear them. There are knobs for microphone audio to adjust volume, basic bass and treble equalization, and add echo or delay for an advanced karaoke feel. On the back, under a cover, are 2 plug connectors, each with gain control. Even though the gain control requires a screwdriver or similar tool to adjust, I wasn't entirely convinced. I would have preferred more user-friendly knobs, but having individual controls is a plus. The first input is for a microphone, while the second can be used for an instrument or microphone. There's a small switch to toggle between these modes. We find 3.5 millimeters connectors to link speakers with the same sound. There's also an auxiliary input for wired audio, but something I really like is that it also has an XLR input. So if you have a console or a much more sophisticated sound system, you can connect its output directly to the input of this speaker and manage everything from your console, or sending the audio there. Only the XLR input does not have a gain or volume control because you have to control that from the external system. So the microphones specifically, you will have to connect them via plug. I would have liked to see XLR also available for direct microphones. In addition, we will find a USB-A input so you can have your music library there and connect it directly. And naturally, there are two power inputs, one for direct current and another for alternating current, depending on your charging preference. The box includes a DC power cable, along with a small 3.5 millimeter cable. Additionally, through the application, we will have access to more controls. Right from the start, you can easily check the detailed battery status. You also have the volume control and playback controls. But what stands out the most in the application is the access to the equalizer, where we will find some presets such as default. Also there you can enable the sound pulse. We also find deep bass, classic rock, or access to a custom equalizer of 5 bands where you can be very specific in how you want the sound to emit. Within the application, we find the input selector or playback mode and the option to enable stereo pairing for using 2 speakers in amplitude. There's also the option to enable the diffusion master, allowing us to connect multiple speakers simultaneously and change the sound effects of the microphone. It also gives you full control of the lights with the 5 different modes, or you can even turn them off if you do not want them to be decorating the environment. You also have the ability to adjust both the echo and the gain of the microphone that you have connected. Moreover, the application provides us with the option to set a timer, enabling it to turn off automatically. Additionally, it allows us to receive firmware updates, which can further enhance the speaker's performance or fix any bugs it might have. Let's now dive a bit deeper into discussing the sound quality. Trust me when I say it is extremely impressive, it's simply outstanding. The total power output is an incredible 240 watts, which means it produces a massive roar. The speaker not only sounds incredibly loud, but also maintains very high quality without any distortion, even when the volume is turned up to its maximum level. The system is made up of 2 sets of 3-way channels. You'll discover 2 8-inch buffers, alongside 2 3-inch mid-range speakers, and lastly, 2 25-inch tweeters. The tweeters are slightly tilted to the sides for wider coverage, allowing better audio for those beside the speakers, not just in front. The brand claims it covers 270 degrees. Thanks to the strategic placement of these tweeters, the frequency response ranges from 40 Hz to 20 kHz. This range provides an excellent quality of sound. I must emphasize, it sounds incredibly powerful. The presence of the bass frequencies is remarkably good, and you can even feel them. Moreover, if you pair it with the sound pulse technology, which has been expertly developed by Tronsmart, you can achieve a sound of significantly higher quality. It all depends on the audio input. If you have songs that are perhaps not so perfectly equalized, you can activate Sound Pulse and you will notice a huge difference in the audio quality you are perceiving. But hey, I like that you can turn this option off or on completely to your liking. But hey, what do you say we listen to a little test? Although remember that it's not the same as listening to it live. The default equalization, which I personally liked, brings a certain level of balance to the sound. However, I must emphasize the advantage of being able to switch to another equalization or utilize the sound pulse feature, which is definitely appreciated. To conclude this section, it's important to mention that the speaker does not come with an integrated microphone for answering calls directly. While I don't believe this is a feature most people would use often, I mention it as an interesting tidbit. Now, let's discuss the battery, which, based on its specs, has a capacity of 900 mAh. With an output of 11.1 volts, it would approximately equal 99 watt-hours. To put it in more common terms, the brand claims it could provide up to 20 hours of playback at medium volume with the lights turned off. Pay close attention to this detail because, clearly, that would be considered the standard duration. However, if you choose to play music at higher volumes and with the lights on, naturally, that battery will deplete faster. It's important to remember that the battery life is influenced by your daily usage. We can say it ranges from about 5 to 12 hours when the volume is turned up high and the lights are on. The charging time is approximately 4 hours. I do wish they could enhance this aspect in future models, even though they maintain this to preserve the battery's lifespan. In this particular situation, you are going to connect it to AC power in order to charge it, as previously mentioned. However, it also includes an additional DC input for those who prefer that option. To use this feature, you will need to purchase its charger separately, which connects via its USB-A port. You could also connect your cell phone to charge it if it has run out of battery, as you can draw power from a basic 5 volts. For an emergency, it's quite useful. Of course, you can use it while it is connected and charging, which is really convenient, and there's no problem doing so. This setup allows you to keep your device active even when the battery is low, ensuring you stay connected and functional. So, in times of need, this method proves to be very handy and efficient. In conclusion, this Tronsmart Halo 300 seems to me a really good quality speaker for parties. Not only for the very loud and good quality sound it has, but also for some other complements like the audio inputs to connect a microphone or a guitar with some independent controls. The theme of being able to carry it like a backpack also complements it quite well, and I like the XLR input. The buttons still feel a bit simple. From my perspective, it appears that this is the area where they might have reduced the budget slightly to achieve a highly competitive price. However, honestly, there isn't much to criticize about this speaker. It truly is of excellent quality. I've included the link in the description below if you're interested in buying it. For now, that's everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to let us know, and we'll catch you in the next one.